Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miha and today I want to show you guys how to make this little cream wall right here. I'm obsessed with cream walls ever since I visit many cafes and restaurants that have cream walls as their feature walls and with beautiful neon lights, bling bling. I don't know, I'm just so obsessed. And finally, I got around to making one for myself. I'm so happy and I can't wait to share with you guys. So you see this corner right here is where I sit down and enjoy my morning coffee every day, and it's also my little dining area because my apartment is quite small and we don't have space for a big dining table like I used to have. I love looking at this cream wall. It's helped me to relax after a long working day at home, and also it's brighten up the area, is just bring so much nature into my space, and I can't wait to show you guys how I make them. Now without further ado, let's follow me to the making of this beautiful artificial cream wall. To work out how many wall panel you need to buy, the first step is measuring your wall area where you want to lay out the panels. I already know which panel I want to get as well as the measurements, so to work out the number of pieces needed, I get the wall area, divide the area of a single panel. Remember to always round up. I got a total of 24 wall panels from IKEA. There are two types, one with more white and the other one with more purple. Depending on your preference, you might want to get everything in the same color, but because I like variety and mixing things up, I got both types. You also need a mounting tape, minimum of 6 self-adhesive hooks, and twinkle lights for decorations. I got these clear hooks from Bunnings. They're not the strongest, but do the job and easy to remove without leaving any residues on the wall. For stronger hole, you can either increase the number of hooks or substitute to stronger hooks. Once you peel the plastic layer, one side goes on the back of the hook. The side that says wall side goes on the wall. At first, I used 6 hooks, 3 on top and 3 on the bottom, but I soon realized adding 3 more in the middle row would make the panels more secure. Now we're on to attaching the hook to the panel. You would want to put the hook somewhere close to the corner of the panel, but not too close in case it touches the side of the wall and hang low. I find it easier to put the hook on the back of the panel first before attaching it to the wall. When you position the panel properly, just press it hard against the wall to secure it. The wall panels are easy to connect with a simple click solution. Arrange them however you like and simply press down until the connectors click. Oh, look at that! I love green. Don't you guys think it looks beautiful and refreshing already with just 2 panels? I can't wait to finish the rest. Initially, I wanted to install this wall in my bedroom or balcony, but I'm glad I decided to go with the dining area. The color of my wooden dining bench complements the green of the panels and make the space so cute and cozy. This can be my Instagram corner and the background for my cooking videos. This process is quite time consuming, so let's chat about life. How are we all doing? I hope you all doing okay. As of for me, I'm still working from home and I'm not sure with you guys, but I quite enjoyed it so far. It could just be an introvert thing. I think I have more time to focus on important tasks and don't get disrupted by surrounding environments. The highlight of my day recently is having Milo jump up and snuggle on my laps while I'm working. As you know, 5 minutes later, my legs go to sleep, but looking at the boy sleeping so soundly, I don't want to move. He's becoming very affectionate and cuddly, which I'm quite surprised and pleased. Usually, I'm the person who always have to chase after him for cuddles and kisses, and the boy would always run away or completely ignore me. Let me know in the comments if you're a pet owner and what does your pet do while you're working? I also miss hanging out with my friends a lot. Luckily, thanks to technology, we can still see each other online. Actually, I'll be having a Zoom online birthday party for one of our friends this weekend. Last time we played Jackbox and it's super fun. There are many games on Jackbox and they can be played using your phone, tablet, laptop, or other web-enabled device as a controller. The main action of the game happens on your TV or wherever you launch your game. But players use their own devices to input answers and make choices. To me, a strong friendship doesn't need daily conversations, doesn't always need togetherness. As long as the relationship lives in the heart, true friends will never part. I miss dressing up and dining out, but all of that is a luxury right now. All I wish right now is for everyone to follow the government guidelines, stay home if they can, wear masks and maintain social distancing when they are around others so that we can resume life and make the most out of what's left of 2020. This period gives me a chance to reflect on what I have and what I took for granted. I hope you will also learn something from this event and come out stronger, grow to appreciate little things in life. This situation has taught me to love not only a person, but also little things that I normally look past. To listen, to understand, not to talk back. To care through actions, not just words. And to help by sharing what I have with those in need. I can't wait to give all of my friends the biggest hug. And wherever you are, I hope you are staying strong and keeping safe. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Our green wall is complete, you guys. It turned out so gorgeous, just like how I imagined. I want to add a neon sign in the middle, but not quite sure what text I want yet. So I'll update you guys when I come up with an idea. For now, I'm super proud and excited with the end result. Thanks a lot for sticking around till the end, guys. I release new videos every Friday fortnightly, so stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to my channel for similar content. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like. I would really appreciate it. I'll see you again next time. Bye!